What is going on? It's Jill Trader. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, metaverse, and all those kind of stuff, futures trading, spot trading, make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any important crypto and trade updates. So what is happening with the overall crypto market today? We are seeing a continuous rally. S&P 500 has been on a rally for several days now, and there is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and S&P 500 is on the verge of breaking out from a resistance. So in the coming days, we are going to see it's either a breakout to the upside, which is going to be, I don't know, or are we going to get a rejection in the coming days? Let's check. Welcome to our live stream. We have PHX RPL. We have Opera Team. We have Felix. All right, what's up, guys? You're good. Second, who's first? All right. Have a position buy, sell 110 Ave. ADA dump way 0.56. I'm gonna show you liquidation chart or liquidation number, guys, about ADA, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. And if this is going to continue, most of the positions on this lineup are going to get crushed, so be careful. We have Harshkan Shah, ADA, please. So let's check if we still have time today. We are going to check some of the requests. All right, so crypto bubble first. We have cake. Looks yummy. We have Nexo 2.2%. We have Rune also popping up here. We have HT and we have LDO. Watch out, guys, for the three cryptos that I've tweeted yesterday. We have LDO. We have ETC right now, ETC, Ethereum Classic, and we have OP. So watch out, DCR. What is happening with DCR? We have a very big red bubble here from DCR. Cheers, guys. Cheers. It's the weekend. I hope you're enjoying your weekend. So cheers. Cheers to that. I'm not sure if you're familiar with this beer. I'm trying all these kinds of beer daily. All right, let's set this aside. So next, fear and greed index still going up from extreme fear. Right now, we are slowly moving towards the middle line or the yellow line. This means that the retails are slowly coming back, but not yet, slowly coming back to the market, as they can see that Bitcoin is pumping, Ethereum is pumping. They have heard about the merge. What is the merge? ADA dump, you drink. Sankit Kumar, welcome to the live stream. All right, so fear and greed index at 46 right now. So let's see if this is going to continue as the rally continue. We have S&P 500 going on a rally. We have Ethereum unstoppable, breaking all the resistance, moving in a very unusual manner. And the money flows from Bitcoin right now. It's all moving to the higher risk position like Ethereum. We have some OP. We have Ethereum Classic just going to the moon right now. Watch out, guys, for Ethereum Classic. I think the miners are going to move to Ethereum Classic because Ethereum is moving from proof of work to proof of stake. So I think the miners will move to Ethereum Classic. Watch out for this LDO, Ethereum Classic, and OP after the merge. I think there is a lot of potential for these three cryptos, right? Next, we have, let me show you first, let me show you the amount of liquidation. Why are we seeing unusual rally? Here's the reason why. First, overall crypto, 78% are in shorts, are getting liquidated. So mostly are shorting the market right now. And most of the positions that are shorting the market are retails. So what you can see, the long position here are very small, which means small percentage are moving the market. This could be the market makers, this could be the some of the whales moving the market just to liquidate the retails. You know guys, the whales, we have now BlackRock joining the crypto market, and BlackRock is holding 10 trillion under their management, assets under management, $10 trillion. And in crypto, the entire crypto is just around 2 to 3 trillion. So imagine if they can move they can move just small portion of their asset under management into crypto, they could really manipulate and move the market. So don't bet or don't move against the whales or the market makers or this big corporations that are joining the crypto market right now. So just move with the flow, guys. Just if you can, just move with the trend. The trend is your friend. All right, soon collaborate. All right, I'm done with my beer, so let's move on to, before we move on to the chart, let me move on with my wine. So it's the weekend, guys. Let's just chill and check the charts. All right, so let's check this news first. This is very important news, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Ethereum hits 8-month highs in BTC as money heads for riskier altcoin. Right now we have seen the money move from Ethereum going to Ethereum Classic, going to OP, going to LDO, going to some of the riskier altcoins. Liquidity, Matic, Polygon Matic, one of the strong movers and one of the most robust ecosystem in the, I don't know if you have checked their website or if you have checked what Polygon Matic can do. You're chill. You're chilling like pro. I'm pro chilling. Let's have some wine, guys. All right, so Ethereum is worth more in Bitcoin, BTC, at any time since the start of the year amid renewed appetite for altcoin. This news is very important, especially for Ethereum right now. Is driving the overall crypto market moving ahead of Bitcoin. And I'm gonna show you the chart after this news and why this day, this specific day, is very important, not only for Ethereum but also for Bitcoin and also for S&P 500. Altcoin market cap returns. How many are watching the stream right now? We have only 16. What is happening? What is happening? We have only 16. I miss you, chill. I miss you too. New destination. Let me give you some gong. All right. We have only 14 watching, so let's just chill right now. But I'm gonna give you some very important information. Today. Altcoin market cap returns to 700 billion. Data from CoinMarkets TradingView confirms ETH BTC has cleared key resistance past 0.08 BTC, and Ethereum slash USDT right now is on the verge of breaking a very important key resistance level. We will have wine together 2025. I'll come to Dubai. Your treat. Visit Dubai 2025. We'll have some wine and some beer tasting. All right, so cleared the key resistance 0.8 BTC. The move is impressive for the largest altcoin, Ethereum, as the area around 0.075 represented a troublesome zone. This is now the 2000 level for ETH USDT pair. Had previously kept bulls in check, because you know, on the 2000 level for Ethereum, we have a lot of retails trapped on that position. They bought 2000 and then we have seen a massive crash up to 1000 level. So a lot of retails are trapped on that level. I hope you can get out alive, and you'll not be left holding the bag. Or if we can go higher, you can maybe take some profit along the way. My average for Ethereum, guys, if you have seen my tweet previously, is sub 1000. And for Bitcoin, my average for Bitcoin is $18,000 to $19,000. I was on live when Bitcoin was crashing to 17,000. And I have tweeted some of my previous tweet about possible bottom price for Bitcoin. So going back to the news, guys, at the time of writing, ETH BTC is working to retain the newly won level as traders query how long its strength may last. Cointelegraph reported earlier, ETH USDT passed 2,000 overnight. So that was yesterday. Ethereum passed $2,000. Noting a trend to pile in altcoins. So, right. Since Ethereum merge became clearer, Ethereum has outperformed Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now is just slowly hovering and following the move of Ethereum. Ethereum is leading the market right now. The overall altcoin cap also reached its highest since the end of May this week, passing 700 billion according to figures from TradingView and CoinMarketPro. All right, so Ethereum price analysis still favors bear market. Turning to potential price target for Ethereum, traders nonetheless remained conservative after months of upside. So we have some traders still being conservative, guys, after several rally. And take note again of the liquidations here. Let me show you. Bitcoin, 86% are in short or short position getting liquidated, guys. So mostly are in shorts that are getting liquidated right now. And also I'm going to show you Ethereum, 96%. So imagine long position are only getting liquidated for the long position is 100,000. And for shorts is around 2 million. So there are imbalance of position here. And a lot, I think most of the retails are getting wrecked of shorting Ethereum. And I think the one moving the market right now it's either market makers, some of the whales, because these are small position. A lot, 96% are in short, and these are mostly retails, guys. And when we checked yesterday, order book, the amount of short or the amount of short position target for the long position, guys, is up to 2,300. That's the max pain right now for the short position, guys. 2,300 Ethereum. So if this is going to continue, if retails are going to continue shorting the market, this market will continue to move up and liquidate all of this position. The retails, the amount of money that the retails have is so small compared to this market makers, the institution that's joining the game right now. My ETH short is crying its ass out. I'm let it cry or it's got liquidity till 3,000. Again, guys, 96% are in short. So be careful, because market makers, large whales, we have whales moving the market. This amount of money is just very small for them. This is just a fraction of what they are holding. So back to the news. Let's finish this news. I'm gonna show you Ethereum, Bitcoin, S&P 500, and some of the chart requests afterwards. So Ethereum 2,200 as long. Oh, all right. So going back, related price analysis, BTC ETH. All right, Ethereum to 2,200 as long as we stay above 1,737. Aave. So I will check Aave if we still have time. It's chill Saturday. Is it Saturday today? Yeah, it's Saturday, guys. So let's chill. It's the weekend. We don't have much movement today. I have some of my position and it's just moved from 30%, 50%, going back and forth from that level. I didn't have much trade today. Once untapped highs start getting tapped and no reversal is given, take note of this. Once untapped highs are getting tapped, so means once some of the levels are getting reached without getting any reversal or correction, the rest of the highs typically meet the same fate. So we might see a same price action. As we move up, we might see fast correction as well. Don't have my eyes on the exact level or set up for long opportunity just yet, but will update if I see one. All right, so this is one of the quote here from Cointelegraph. Muhammad Nadim, for us, you are the market market maker. We are just small fish, guys. We are small fish in the sea. So we just try to move with the flow, because if we move against the current, we will be eaten alive by the whales. So we are just small fish. Lower time frame trend V bullish. I'm eyeing breakout if 2000 is claimed 2.4 level fellow account. So the next target, let's check later. I have my Fibonacci extension level. I have made some modification today, so it's easier for the viewers to see what are the possible retracement, what are the possible price target. So I have made some colored. I have made some change in color for the. We have some color blind. I'm not making fun of them, but we have some color blind in the VIP Discord. So we need to make some adjustment for them. And also, this will be easier for the viewer to see what are the possible levels and price targets. I'm gonna show it to you after this news. In its latest market, all right, so let's move on. Concern around hard fork remain with September. Hard fork or the Ethereum merge. Abdul Rahman, I will give you a gong because you're late. Where's my gong? Couldn't tune into your streams during the last week. Nice haircut. I didn't cut my hair. It just grew longer. Concerns around. So again, the merge is going to happen September 15 to 16 is the date. Mark it on your calendar. It might be buy the rumor, sell the news. So we could see a correction after the merge, or even before the actual merge happened. So watch out a week before and after the merge, guys. So concerns around hard fork remain, with September ETH futures trading below -8% annualized versus spot. We have been taking profit on our long spot versus short futures spread position. All right, so enough with the news. We move on with the charts. All right, so here's the Ethereum charts, guys. Oh my god. Ethereum is still trying to poke. This was the resistance level yesterday. If you have watched the stream, Ethereum was trying to break this level yesterday. This white line, $1,919. And I have plotted this resistance yesterday, guys. And Ethereum right now, this is going to invalidate the rising wedge pattern, which is a bearish pattern. All right. So if Ethereum is going to be rejected from this level, guys, from this level right here, exact level right here, this is the top, the tip of the wedge. So basically, for a falling wedge, the ideal breakdown point for the wedge, bearish pattern, will be the top of the wedge. So if Ethereum gets rejected from this level, all right, where is my arrow here? All right, so if Ethereum is going to be rejected from this level, we might see this possible price target, price action like this. Ideal target for the breakout, if Ethereum is going to be rejected from this level, will be around 1,435. Previously, we have some support or breakout point at around this level, but right now Ethereum went so far. This was the breakout point, guys. Breakout point from consolidation at around this level. And we have swing high, swing low, and we have this breakout point here. This was the previous target, but right now Ethereum moves and break all the resistances. So if Ethereum gets rejected from this level, the next possible ideal possible target will be this bottom of the wedge, which is around 1,400, let's say 1,430 level. So this will be the target for the breakout to the downside. But watch out, because if Ethereum RSI in the daily time frame already in the overbought area. So typically, if this is not going to be manipulated by the whales and by the market makers, we might see, if this is just the retails playing, we might see a correction from this level, because there are a lot of retails that are trapped into this level, guys. 2,000 level, this was the previous support. We are already trading above. And if Ethereum is going to break this level, guys, the next possible target, let me show you the Fibonacci extension, trend-based Fibonacci extension. So let's say that this is the bottom here. This is the bottom of the wedge. So from the bottom of the wedge, we'll trace it here and then the bottom price. All right, so 100% is exactly, how do I clear this? So 100% is exactly at around this level, guys. And if Ethereum breaks this resistance, the next possible target based on Fibonacci extension is 161% level, which is going to be around 2,233. And this is, I think, is in confluence 2,400. This is the based on the news here, but based on the Fibonacci extension, the next possible target, if Ethereum breaks above, we don't have much resistance here. We have some small resistance, 2,000, we have 2,140, and the next, this is also in confluence with this one here. You see, we have a resistance. This is in confluence with this one. So this level here, right? See. So this will be the next possible target, and this will invalidate this falling wedge. So if Ethereum breaks above, guys, falling wedge will be invalidated. So watch out right now. We are in a very crucial level for Ethereum. Watch out for the daily candle close. Daily candle close below this orange line, 2000 level, we might see a correction back to 1920, this white line, 1925, or if not, if Ethereum close above 2000, prepare for the next possible target. This white lines here serves as the resistances for Ethereum, 2000, 2100 until this level, 161% Fibonacci extension, 2200 level for Ethereum. So playing field for Ethereum will be this level, will be this yellow level, yellow box. So we might see a correction until the white line, short term, until 1920, and if we break above daily candle close above this orange line at around 100% or 2000 level, we might see another pump and invalidation of this rising wedge pattern. All right, any thoughts on Solana? Christopher Taylor, welcome to the live stream. All right, so going next to Bitcoin, same chart that we have been watching. So my average price for Bitcoin, guys, what's around here? I have been buying or DCAing on this level, and my average right now is at 18 to 19,000. I've sold some of my all my Matic. I've sold all my Matic. I've sold some of my Ethereum position in my spot and long-term portfolio. Enjoy your weekend. Right? So back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price. So here, Bitcoin is still trading inside this bear flag pattern, and it's lagging behind Ethereum. So the spotlight right now, it's on Ethereum and some of the altcoins. Bitcoin is just hovering and just doing its thing. And based on this chart, Bitcoin is still trading inside the falling wedge pattern, and key resistance level that we need to watch out is 25,000. Breaking below or daily candle close below this, we might see these are the levels that we need to watch out. So playing field for Bitcoin still the same, not much movement. This or yellow square area here, if Bitcoin daily candle close below this red line here, we might see possible price might revisit this orange line here if this close below. All right, but if this daily candle close above, we might see a possible retest of this red line here. So very small playing field for Bitcoin. Watch out for daily candle close today. If this close below, Bitcoin might revisit 23,437 area, right? Where did you sold Matic? Matic around 0.96, 0.94 area, and yeah, that somewhere around that level. So here, watch out for this daily candle close, guys. Daily candle close. If this close above this red line, 24,279, we might see a possible revisit of this resistance, 24,700 until 25,000. But if daily candle close below this red line, we might see a revisit or retest of support at around 23,471 level. Let's check the Fibonacci extension and Fibonacci retracement level. Let's consider this and this area. Right. So let's consider the wick. All right. Let's move this here so we can see the percentage. We have these targets here. 50, 61.8 already reached. Next will be 78 and 100. But right now, these are the key targets here. 50, 61, and 78. Always, these are the key levels for the Fibonacci extension. Laptop is getting very hot. For the Fibonacci retracement, guys, let's check possible level. So swing, we have here the low and the high. Let me just delete this first. So exactly based on this Fibonacci retracement, possible retest. Again, if daily candle close below this red line, 24,300, Bitcoin price might revisit 38.2%, which is around $23,300 Bitcoin. That is in confluence with our support and resistances on this chart, right? So that's for Bitcoin. Going to S&P 500. How many are watching? Only 15, and we have only 9 likes. Why? We only have 9 likes. We have 15 watching the stream, only 9 likes. Sharing is caring, guys. Sharing is caring. Don't be afraid to press that like. All right? So going to S&P 500. How many minutes are we live right now? 36 minutes. All right. So going to S&P 500. Here, S&P 500 is forming a descending broadening wedge. This is a bullish pattern, guys. And S&P 500 right now is trying to break this resistance. And you know, S&P 500 or Bitcoin is following S&P 500, and most of our cryptos move together with the traditional market. So if this continues to rally, we might see Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of the crypto, we might see them rally together with the traditional market. But if we're going to check, S&P 500 right now is on a resistance here, resistance trend line. And also, if you can check the RSI, it's already in the overbought area. Also, MACD is in the area where it needs to have a cool down. This is getting overheated, guys. So how many days is this continuous rally from S&P 500? Almost 60 days, 2 months of continuous rally. So I have here a Fibonacci retracement level, possible retracement level for S&P 500. And if this moves down, crypto market might follow. So this will be the level, guys. All this yellow line, you like yellow line, or I think yellow line is good. So these are the possible price target for retracement, just in case S&P 500 gets rejected. So this is a bullish pattern, guys, and this will be the possible price action for S&P 500 for this specific pattern. And the price target for this will be the top of the wedge, which is around 78% or around 100%. This is in confluence with our Fibonacci extension level. So this will be the possible price target or possible price action, right? But we have resistances along the way. So possible target for breakout will be this yellow lines here, 50%, 61 and 78% for the Fibonacci extension. And for the Fibonacci retracement, we have this 38, 50 and 61 level. And if you place a long position at around this area, 38, your stop loss should be just below this one, below this. Usually the ideal sweet zone for Fibonacci retracement is around 50 to 30, 38 to 50%. So if this goes beyond 61%, that means we might see a possible trend reversal. So these are the three levels that might we might get a correction for S&P 500. So watch out for S&P 500, because most of the time crypto follow the traditional market. So that's for S&P 500. Let's check some of the requests. We have AVE. So we have 2 requests for AVE before we end the stream. Let's check AVE. Let me just have my wine first. Hang on. Let me play you some music while you're waiting. Right. So let's check AVE, guys, before we end the stream. Felix Sarai, if you're using Binance, you have actually the option to turn on the time for the next candle. For the daily candle, you can check the 4-hour candle or 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame. There is just a tick mark there. Let me check. It's in Binance. Just check with the setting. And if you're using Trading View, you also have where? I don't know how to check it in Trading View, but for AVE, also we have the resistance here. What a nice chart! Super nice chart here, AVE. I don't know. I have this chart here. So we have this similar to Ethereum. Let me just fix this support trend line. It looks like a rising wedge, but also looking like a parallel channel, rising parallel channel. So let me check first. Let's check first. We have a resistance here, resistance. Up to this point, possible. So until this level, right? So this could be a good short position here, but we are late, a little bit late, guys. We have this red candle here. And by the way, we need to, before we proceed, guys, Oh, that's wrong. The information provided in this channel are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Cryptocurrency is highly volatile. Only invest what you can afford to lose. All right. All right, let's proceed with our chart. So, possible short position here. Possible short for AVE. Possible short. Let's check how many percent will be the risk. This is very important when you are entering a position. So most 7%. We're looking at the daily time frame, guys. Most of the traders or most of the newbies in the market are, when they're entering a position, they are after the gains. How many percent will be the possible gains for this? But the first thing that you need to watch out, or you need to check, is what are the possible percentage and risk involved in this trade. So for AVE, guys, the risk involved is 7.5%. If you're going to short at this level, let me change it to blue line. If you're going to short at this level, the possible risk is 7.5%, because AVE can make a candle wick until this level, and in order for your trades to be safe from stop loss hunt, will be around this level. You set your stop loss here. Later I'm going to show you, we'll plot Fibonacci extension and retracement and possible stop loss position. You're the best. Chill. Few words about XCH. Did you know this crypto? We have new Artem Bogatov. We have new viewer, guys. So welcome. Let me give you a slow clap for joining the stream today. So going back to AVE, guys. Possible risk for the short position is 7.5%. Later, I'm gonna share all these charts in the VIP in Discord. So if you are part of the VIP, just watch out. I'll post this in our Discord group. All the charts that we have discussed today, I'm gonna share it in the Discord group. So we have a FK Crypto. My Phantom is in short with 42% loss. I'm not sure or show if it will going down almost 2 weeks now for stop loss on the first day. Artem, or you're in VIP, feel free to drop me a message. XCH isn't that Chia coin that is mined by storage device? Okay, thank you. Yep, exactly. All right. I'm not familiar with XCH, but going back to AVE, let's check. First, let's check the Fibonacci retracement. Swing high, swing low. We have our, let's check the lower time frame actually. If we can get some. All right, so let's check the Fibonacci extension first. So from this previous low here, so this have reached possible target for Fibonacci extension will be this yellow lines here, and this is exactly on 78.6%. Usually this will be the ideal target always for a lower time frame, and sometimes it gets to 100%, seldom it gets to 161%. That's what you can see a while ago in Ethereum chart. Right now Ethereum is on 100%. The next target will be 100%. Seldom it reached the 161%. So going back to AVE, this is right now the ideal target for Fibonacci extension based on the previous swing high and swing low here in the 4-hour time frame. And if you can check the RSI and MACD, this is already facing or forming a correction move here. And also our stochastic RSI is moving towards the oversold area. Later we are going to check the 1-hour time frame, but for now the Fibonacci extension is on the sweet spot, 78.6%. And Fibonacci retracement, possible retracement, will be here. Let's delete this. So possible retracement, guys, for if this is going to continue with the trend. So we have here these levels that we need to watch out. I think this is already have. Let's check here. This I've hit this one. So this is the only. All right. But all right, one sec. 4-hour. Let's check this one here. From here, this will be the best. All right. So here, possible retracement for AVE will be this area, this 3 yellow line. Ideal retracement will be up to 50%, but usually for this kind of rally, usually it touches the 38.2%. You can set your stop loss just below. This is 2% risk, so you can set your stop loss just below, just in case it touches the 50 level. You need to wait for confirmation, guys. Let me show you some example here if we can find. For example, this one here. So this have touched until the 61 level. So this will be the max target for retracement, 61.8%. And if it goes below 61.8%, that means that it's possible change of trend. Right now this is still in an overall uptrend, guys. So as what you can see, we have Fibonacci retracement here. All these yellow lines here, 3 yellow lines, 38, 50 and 61% will be the target for the retracement. So here we have exactly hit the target at 61%. Let me show you another one if this works out fine. All right, so here another one here, exactly just below, let me just delete the other one, just below 61%, but didn't hit the 78%. So still, this is still valid. We have seen a correction up to 61%, or let me just here. So around 61%, we have seen a bounce. So at this level right now, this will be, so your confirmation will be 1 candle up and retest. This is the time you enter a long position here. Another one here for AVE. At this point to this point, 61.8, 1 green candle confirmation. The 4-hour candle close. You can set your long position here at candle confirmation or change of trend. So that's going to the next target, which is the Fibonacci extension level. Right now, from 0 or 200, from 100% to 0 here, the possible target will be this yellow lines. So let's check in the coming days if this is going to hold as a support or a retracement target up to 61.8%. This is in confluence with the support trend line here. So we might see a correction up to this point and possible bounce if this will continue the trend up. So if you can see, one red candle up to 61.8 and green candle confirmation to the upside. That's the time if you want to be sure. But if you just want to set a minimum risk, so you can wait for 50% or 61% and set your stop loss just below this area. If you have set a long position here, you can set your stop loss just below. Let's check how many percent. This is 2.3%. If you're setting a long position at 61.8, you can set your stop loss just below. That's almost 3%, so you can set your stop loss here, 61.8. Set your stop loss just below this line. All right, so that's for Aave, guys, and I think that's it for today. I'm gonna share this chart in the VIP, so if you have enjoyed this video, if you have enjoyed our stream today, make sure to hit that like and subscribe. Appreciate your support, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Let's cheers to a great weekend. Safe trade, protect your assets at all times, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.